Howdy, howdy, hey, how are you doing today? I'm the Moon Frog and you're watching the Moon Frog Magazine YouTube channel. I didn't remember the moon being that far away. So in this one, we're gonna go right back to a project that we kind of put aside for a bit. If you remember, we started building a four-color screen tank. Okay, so before my seizure, I was trying to say, if you remember, we started building a four-color screen printing press. Jesus. This is it. This is four-color screen printing. So if you remember in the last video about this, we stopped before making these, I think. Well, in the meantime that the project was put aside, my neighbor kind of struck this rig with his truck and broke off one of our beautiful 3D printed bearing holding end piece thing for that thing. So yeah, we're gonna have one more of those to print out and to put in there. But in the meantime, what we're gonna do is okay, so as you probably seen in the last clip, all our levers were too short, which made the clamps too close to each other, and it wouldn't allow us to fit screens in there. So I took the time, put the camera down, and went right back to it, and now this is what we have. So I made these posts a lot longer, probably like 4 inches longer or so, and yeah, now they all stand up without hitting each other until they're up top, and we have a functioning screens. But first, let's finish welding all these clamps in. Alright, so that's our forearms fully welded. They turned out alright. So, up next, we have the replacement for these jimmy rig things. So the purpose of this is to keep everything lined up exactly at the same spot every time. But having these sliders, well, it gets stuck in there and then you have to fight it to get it back out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a nice little bracket that holds 2 bearings, and then we're gonna make the bearings adjustable so we can tighten it around the square tubing, and then that way we can index all our screens at the same spot.